Hi, welcome to the full stack development with Angular 8 and SpringBoot. In this video, I will show you how to add a Google Fonts to the Angular application. So let's begin. Go to the Google Fonts and search for the fonts which you want to use. I'm going to use Roboto Mono. I'll search for Roboto Mono and it will display the fonts. Select the font. You can read about the fonts and you can see the different styles of the font, and just click on this, select this font. This will select the font and you have two options. One is embed and customize. If you want, you can customize the font. So I'll keep it default, like I'll choose the regular 400. And if you want to use the CDN link, you can use that by clicking on this standard, and you can copy the link and you can paste it in the index.html page, and you can use the font family on the element. But I'm going to download the raw files and I'm going to keep it in the assets folder. So let's download this and extract the file. Okay, in my case I have already extracted it and I keep it in a folder. So let's go to the folder where I have downloaded the Roboto Mono. As you can see, I have created a Google Fonts folder. Inside that I have the Roboto Mono. I have already extracted. So let's copy the folder. And before that, let's go to the Visual Studio Code and open the assets folder. And just like how we have created the images folder, I'm going to create one more folder for fonts. And I'm going to keep all the fonts inside this folder. So let's open this fonts in the Explorer. Right click. Click on the Reveal in Explorer and open the fonts folder, and let's go to the Roboto Mono fonts and copy the folder and paste it here. Okay, so now if you go to the Visual Studio Code, we have a Roboto Mono folder inside the fonts folder. So if you open the folder, we have a different styles. Okay, so we are going to use the Roboto Mono regular one. Okay, so now we have to link this fonts to the styles.css file. Okay, so that we can apply the fonts to the elements. So let's open the style.css, and this style.css is the global style sheet. So let's import the style, which is by using a add font face. And we're going to specify the property which is font family. We want to use the font which is Roboto Mono. I want to use the Roboto Mono regular one. So specify the font family as Roboto Mono. And we have to specify the one more property which is a source property, and we have to specify the path where the fonts are located. We're going to do it using the URL method. So inside this URL method, we're going to specify the path to the fonts folder. It is located inside the assets folder, /assets/fonts/Roboto Mono. And we're going to use the Roboto Mono regular. Minus regular.ttf. We have to specify the format, which is true type. Alright, so now let's apply the font to the elements. So I'm going to apply the font to the entire body element. So target the body. Font family. Let's copy the font which is Roboto Mono and paste it in the down. So let's save this. And if you go to the browser, you can see the font has been changed to Roboto Mono. Okay, it has been applied to the entire body. If you want to verify that, you can click on this inspect element, and if you look at the styles, you can see the font family has been changed to Roboto Mono for the entire body element. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something out of this video, and in the next video we're going to commit all the changes to the GitHub repository. So that is coming up in the next video. I will see you in the next video.